besides a half and plus or minus 2, for what value of x is the following fraction undefined? So you can see the fraction there, and the choices are -8, -4, 4, and 8. So we'll see how question 4 went for 400 points. Ooh, one person got it right. It did turn out to be 8. Who got 8? Very good. Andy, can you explain how you got 8?
So we know that the denominator is not, like, up the bottom one is not obvious, so which means that means the overall bottom has to equal 0, which means 3 over 2x minus 1 has to equal 2 over x plus 2 if you factor it. And if you cross multiply and solve, you'll get it.
You get, as long as you do everything all right. That's good. That's exactly how it goes. So now we'll see what this. Thank you, Andy, for that explanation. That was very good. So this is the score, very close. Andy in first place at 700. Susan and Larry right behind, tied at 600, 100 points behind. Ivy's got 100, and there's still lots of points, Ivy, so don't worry. And you all still have it. Here comes a 600-point question. People are allergic to K's, I guess. Suppose K and N are positive integers, and N is bigger than or equal to K plus 2. Now we're asking you to simplify that expression there. N choose K, plus N choose K plus 1, plus N plus 1 choose K plus 2. We put the choices in different colors just to distinguish them so that the screen didn't get so cluttered. But there are the choices. A is N plus 2, choose K plus 2. And then the other ones are kind of hard to read, take a long time. You're already figuring, so I don't want to distract you. Everyone understand the question? Any questions about it? And then we didn't read all the choices, but I should point out, for those of you who don't know, like the numerator in B, that's N plus 2! No, and so that's why we didn't read them all like that. With the exclamation point, you could really take charge. But anyway, we'll see what the right answer is for 600 points. Oh. That is a lot of figuring, maybe in 75 seconds, but there's a quick way you can do it if you know rules about combinations. The thing that you start up at the top there, that actually, when you put the first two terms together, is N plus 1, choose K plus 1. Now you can go through and do all the factorials, but it might be hard in 75 seconds. But that first one is N plus 1, choose K plus 1. And now you have N plus 1, choose K plus 1, plus N plus 1, choose K plus 2. And that turns out to be N plus 2, choose K plus 2. If you think about Pascal's triangle, which also I think was invented in China, even though Pascal has his name on it. You know, it's like adding the two entries on the diagonal above to get to the next one. And so that's how you might approach this problem here. But, so again, you probably can guess what the score is, but we'll see it anyway. Andy's still in first place, still very tight game. With 700 points, Susan and Larry with 600, and Ivy with 100. Still a lot of points left.